morning, YouTubies. How's it going? Alright, this morning I'm just having a little bit of a snack. I got some Hillshire Farms summer sausage and some crackers. A Mountain Dew. Well, how you guys doing? Good, I hope. And I'm going to break in my new cutting board I got from my insurance company. Had it for a little while, not used it, so I figured I might as well use it. How y'all doing? I don't know if I asked that yet or not. If I did, sorry if I repeated. It's beautiful out today. Oh my gosh. I should have remembered to bring the keys out so I could at least open the windows a little bit, but no. Like a ding dong, I forgot. Because that's how I roll. I'm always forgetting something. I'm just like, I swear I'm the biggest forgetful person in the world. The biggest squirrel, to put it that way. That handy little dishcloth or wash towel. Get ready to try to cut the crackers. Oh my gosh. Can you tell somebody's not awake yet this morning? I only had a couple hours sleep this time. I know, I always say I haven't had much sleep. Usually I go either from having too much sleep to not enough sleep. It's like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, I never thought of it. Not the best thing to do, be pulling on plastic. I got a sharp knife in my hand. I'm dangerous with a knife as it is. Try to do it again. Cut myself one of these days. Won't be the first time. God, get it open. I just got a workout trying to get that open. Jeez. Got this at Walmart the other day. In some ways, I don't know why they call it summer sausage when Anthony and I, we usually get it when it's autumn. So I don't know. Maybe it's the way it's seasoned or something. I don't know. Who knows? If anybody knows why it's called summer sausage, let me know. If you would. So, a couple slices. I don't know if I'll eat that much or not. I might, because I'm hungry a little bit. So, kind of, sort of. Oh. Let me get the peeling off. Right, eat me a cracker. Yeah, it's beautiful out today. I don't know what the temperature is at, but it's nice. I was actually expecting it to be cold today. That's why I wore my new sweatsuit. My crackers got, okay, not all of them. I say my crackers got crumbled. The ones at the front got crumbled. Not all of them though. So yeah. Bon appetit. If I thought about it, I would grab some cheese when I was at the store too. A little bit of cheese and crackers, a little bit of summer sausage and crackers. That was really good. One thing thing I don't like is crackers are messy. Crumbs everywhere. And the sky is like pure blue. There's no clouds in sight whatsoever. Okay, some clouds way, way over there. But here, nothing. Just pure blue. It's like, That was good. I've been hungry the last couple hours. I woke up hungry. And I don't do that very often. My hair over here on the side is like what the heck? I went to bed with it wet, so it's like not wanting to cooperate. Usually it's hair frizzy in the front. Now this frizzy on the side. It's like, what the heck? Frizzy's trying to rotate around my head. Yeah, I'll take care of that. Bugging me. Washed it thinking, oh, I'll wake up without the frizzies. No. Still have the frizzies. Just different spot. Yeah. Do for the moment. Screw it, y'all. Excuse me. Sorry. Mountain Dew. Carbonation. Been a while since we had summer sausage. Couple of years, I think. I take that back. It was last year. My folks had gotten some deer summer sausage from a friend that had killed a deer and had it processed. So we had summer sausage last year also. But it was, I think this is probably beef right here. I'm not sure how the taste difference is. I have to maybe get a deer summer sausage and do a taste test eventually. Taste test comparison. You know I'm having issues when I'm making weird noises. Oh, looking over at the trash bin at the storage shed, I thought I seen a cat in the trash bin at first, but it's a plastic sack blown in the wind. My first thought was like, oh, a kitty! But no, no kitty. Just trash. And later tonight, Anthony and I are going to go to Little Caesars and order pizza to take home for his birthday. He had his birthday a couple days ago, but we weren't able to, because of stuff we had going on and stuff my parents had going on, we weren't able to all of us have a free night where we actually could get a pizza and enjoy it all together. So we're going to get one tonight and have it with my folks. We're going to go by Little Caesars and get a deep dish supreme pizza for his birthday. So that'd be pretty good. The day of his birthday, he had a doctor's appointment that was like a little over an hour away. So we couldn't do it that day. Like, I swear the poor guy's got so many doctor's appointments nowadays. And now I've got some coming up too. I'm starting to accumulate some doctor's appointments myself. Like juggling appointments non-stop. I constantly gotta check my voicemails and my text messages to make sure I haven't missed anything. There's one day I actually missed a voicemail when he was supposed to have a follow-up appointment with the doctor that did his fistula. It was the vein in his wrist. I didn't catch it. And oh my gosh, that receptionist let me have it about missing it. It's like, I didn't know. There's so many appointments. I didn't know, like I planned to miss it. You know, cause him to miss it. So ever since then, I've made sure I'm on top of all that, even more so than before. I was on top of everything before that, but I don't know how I missed that voicemail. So, I don't know. Wasn't like I planned for him to miss it, but she didn't need to be fussing at me about it. She could have said something about it, yeah. But not fuss at me about it. Yeah, I might be about done already. This stuff's a little bit filling. More filling than I thought it was going to be. Would help if I had longer fingernails. Real fingernails, I should say. Still got my acrylic nails I need to put on eventually. Haven't done it yet. That I ordered through TikTok. A little bit windy today. I can really see the trees blowing, swaying back and forth. ready for a nap. Well, actually, I don't need a nap, so I need to not have a nap so I can sleep tonight. Actually, most nights lately I don't have, well, depends on the night if I have trouble sleeping or not. But last night, for some reason I was having a little bit of anxiety. I don't know why. So, probably because of thinking of all the stuff that's coming up. Too much. But I am glad he's getting the help that he finally needs, though. So that is a good thing. Because I think he's gone far too long without getting help. Oh. Especially from these doctors that act like they know it all. And they don't know it all. So I keep hearing something, I don't know what it is. There we go. Anywho, I'm going to end it here, and I will catch you guys again later. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Let me know what you guys think of summer sausages. I like it, but sometimes it's filling, for one thing, a little bit greasy too. So sometimes it's worse than others, but this time went real bad, but I've had others that were worse. So, but yeah. So yeah, I'll catch you guys again later. Bye-bye. Oh, 3 little sparrows right there picking around. Oh, no, it's 4 of them. So cute. Oh. All right, catch you guys later. Bye-bye.